my name is Megan Troick, and welcome back to our segment that we call What's Happening Now. In this segment, I want to talk about Kyle Richards and, Mr. Mauricio Umansky. As you know, they were married from 1996. Before we're talking about her housewife series and so forth. And so we're talking about back in 1996 when she, like the rest of us, didn't have as much liquid capital as she does today. Well, I don't know about you, but I don't have as much as she does, but she definitely has more than us put together. Well, Kylie and Mauricio are getting a divorce. I know. If you've watched the Housewives over the last several series, you could see the decline in their relationship. You could see lovey-dovey them, and then you can see the really staged part of them where you're kind of uncomfortable in the room with them. And so you could kind of feel that happening. I always think about life this way. I always think about what's gonna happen now. They're going through a divorce. What kind of estate plan did they have? Did they have anything at all? Did they have prenups? Did they have irrevocable trust? You name it. But what do they have in place? Because a divorce is oftentimes even more destructive than a death. I know. In fact, many people grieve a divorce as if they're grieving death. In this situation though, there's a reason I stay away from family law. I try to stick with estate planning because at least in estate planning, there is hope. But is there any hope for Kylie Richards and the nest egg that she has built up since 1996? Or will Mr. Mauricio be leaving with half, if not more, of it? So let's look at what her estate plan could look like. Well, if she had, that 8 ball or she had that crystal ball, then she could see, okay, I'm gonna fall into some money in the future. How about I set up a post-nup right now? Or how about I set up a prenup before I even get into the marriage? Or if she's in the middle of the marriage, could she have done something like an irrevocable trust? Put her assets in the irrevocable trust, make somebody else her trustee, so that if in the future, which is now, she ever falls into a divorce, she won't lose her blouse. So in a situation like this, what would that look like? For Kyle, if she had it in the irrevocable trust, that wouldn't be an asset to be divided in the divorce. If she had a revocable trust though, revocable trusts do not give you divorce protection for the trustor, for the person creating the trust. It will give divorce protection to your children so that if you leave them assets, then their other person can't come and snatch what you've left to them in the trust. But as for Kyle and Mauricio, if they had a revocable trust, it does not matter. The assets in that trust will be divided. He will get his half or more. She will get probably less than half. She may be even stuck paying him palimony for the rest of his life. I'm so sorry. But in a situation like that, think about when you're getting married. A lot of us, till death do us part. But in our lives, especially in America, about 1 in 5 marriages end in divorce. And when you're talking about your second marriage, 75% of those end in divorce. So I'm not telling you to plan for divorce. I'm telling you to plan for life. And planning for life includes an estate plan, with or without your other half. My name is Megan Troick, lead estate planning attorney here with the Law Office of Brian Fagan, where we treat you like family. Well, I guess for Kylie, not for Kyle, better. Take care. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.